What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm about to show y'all how to get the slickest slick back, and this has been like my thing for like the past like 3-4 months, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, so stay tuned. So all you need is a really good scrunchie. I have this one, Mousse. This is the brand that I like to use, and I talked about it in my last video. This is by Even. You need one of these. You need rat tail comb, not this one. Look at the teeth. See how wide they are compared to this one? Excuse the hair. Okay, get this one with the skinny teeth, okay? In this type of point, but this is too thick. Get the thin one. And this edge control. I think this is the best edge control, honestly. It doesn't turn my hair white, and my hair always stays intact when I use it. A brush, got to be sprayed. I use this sometimes. I'm gonna use it today just to show you how I use it, and a do-rag or headscarf. So every time I do this, I most likely did it the day before, so it's a little stiff in the top. So I always wet my hair. Like wet it, not spray it with water. I put it in the sink or in the tub just to drench it. So I'm about to do that right quick. Okay, so I just finished wetting my hair in the sink and making sure I got all that residue from yesterday's slick back, which was on the front, out of my hair. The back of my hair is also wet too, but I don't want to have it too dry. And then I go in with some mousse. I forgot to tell y'all need a dimming brush too. So I get the dimming brush when I have all that mousse in my hair. I comb it out. See the curls getting defined and stuff. So once I got that combed down as flat as I can get, I go in with the edge control, the easy edge. And if you want to touch up your part, you can, but mind you, I just had this hairstyle yesterday, so the part is still pretty good, but just for sakes, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. Now I got that, I get a lot of the edge control, and I start with the front portion of my hair, and then I go back like this with the edge control. Okay. Now my hair has this like, okay, I have a bald spot right there, but my hairline, I don't like it when it's like this. I like my slick backs to have that straight line like that, so it looks like really like, you know, intact. So in order to get that, I have to use the edge control, and I use the fine comb, not a brush, the fine comb with the edge control to slick it down, and use as much as you need. And I think also with the mousse, it helps it lay flat and stick. But if you don't like that straight line look like right here, you can switch it up. But I love that. Look at that. I love it. So I'm gonna continue doing that and combing it with the fine comb. Mind you, don't go in first with the fine comb because you're gonna pull out a lot of your hair. Go ahead with the dimming brush and brush it out first, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side with that edge control on the front, and then packing it to the back, then the comb. Just like that. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with this and that little brush and dip it in the edge control. And make sure I get that. I feel like this little brush is like so firm, and it helps it to lay flat, like flatter than a regular brush. I'll go in with the regular brush last, but I like to go in like this with the little one. And I also have thin hair, so I don't have thick hair. I don't know how this would feel on people with thicker hair or tender-headed people. It may hurt. Then I do that, and I keep flattening it. I go back in with my comb to gather it in the back. And no, this does not hurt because I already combed it out. Now, go in with your regular brush to make sure you got it all smooth. See, I like that flat line like that. Let's go and get your hair tied. Going back in with my comb if I feel like it's a little bulky, not the brush, because the comb helps it get really flat. And then this is how I tie it with the bun. Watch the ending. I go up and I pull this through and I stuff the rest of the curls in there and I pull it. It may be a little wet right now, but it's okay because when it dries, it's going to be super cute. Okay. And then you can go in with your little brush again just to touch up on some places. I like this little curl to be out right there. Okay. Then you want to go in with your got to be. Spray your edges. Spray your edges. Now, since you put the got to be and like the edge control and stuff, it's gonna be a little tacky later. So you want to make sure that when you do your hair the next day, you don't want to go ahead and start combing it because you're gonna pull out your hair. That's the main reason why I go ahead and wet it so I can get some of that residue out. And I could go in with the mousse and it's easier to comb. I lose less hair and it just comes out flatter and better each and every day. So this little do-rag thing is from Walmart and I feel like this lays the flattest. I don't like laying my slick backs down with those silk scarves, this type of silk scarf, because it slides too much and it doesn't lay flat. Like once I do this and tie it up, I feel like I'm missing some structure up in here. Like it's not as flat, so I don't like using those to lay my hair down like these because they're thin, or those bandanas. I like those too to lay my slick backs. So, and I usually only keep it on here for like a little bit because I'm usually always about to go somewhere. So let me show y'all. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Let me show y'all what she hid it for. And I told y'all I don't keep this on long. And I used to drive to my destinations with it on, but since the slick back be slicking so hard, I don't have to do that because it just lasts. Okay. Let's see. I can't see without my glasses. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Look at her. She too nice. Y'all see it? And if you want to, you know, straighten it up a little bit, you can use, but she good. So yeah, that's how I do my slick back, the slickest slick back. Okay, so if y'all like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.